Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cameroon Fashion Elegance, where confidence takes the runway and presence defines beauty. Stepping onto the stage now is a model who embodies strength and self-assurance. Her walk is steady, controlled, and intentional. Every step reflects discipline. Every movement speaks confidence.
You don't need models, you don't need cameras, you just need AI to create a perfect modeling channel. This is exactly how creators are building modeling channels to attract more followers and gain more views. Stick around for a couple of minutes. Let me show you how. Before we go, don't forget to repost this video, share to more than 5, leave a meaningful comment, and follow for more useful tips like this. So the first step is you are going to be using ChatGPT for brainstorming. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, you go to your web application and you type ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI tool that enables you to brainstorm, helps you with ideas, and completes those ideas for you. So you will open ChatGPT and you will use it to brainstorm by choosing the right niche. Do you want to do a simple modeling channel? Do you want to do a curvy modeling channel? Do you want to do a luxury international modeling channel like the one you just watched? Just follow the process. After you have chosen the right niche, the next thing you're going to do is to ask ChatGPT to give you a script, a step-by-step script for your modeling presentation. Once you have your script, the next thing you will do is to ask for image prompts of the script. ChatGPT will give you the image prompt. After your image prompt, you're going to be requesting for animation prompts. You will take each and every image into Grok AI. Grok AI is also a free application that generates and animates images instantly. So you will take it into Grok AI, generate your image, and animate it with the animation script or with the animation prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Once your images are animated, you take them into your editing tool, CapCut, InShot, whatever editing tool you are using, put them together, and there you go. You have your modeling videos ready to post. If you found this useful, do not forget to leave a meaningful comment. Follow for more useful tips like this. See you in our next hack.
This is not just fashion on display. This is command. Observe the posture, balanced, refined. The structure of the design works in harmony with her natural silhouette, creating a powerful visual statement. Now she pauses, hands firm on her waist, chin slightly raised, calm, focused, unshaken. She does not seek attention, she owns it. As she advances once more, notice the elegance in restraint. No excess, no exaggeration.